Hey everybody, James McLean with Radius Plus here at ISS Las Vegas, and today I'm joined by Chris Taylor, a newcomer to self-storage, but leading the way in AI. Chris, I gotta ask you, what made you want to make the jump from the NVIDIA's AI team and join the self-storage industry to be the Chief AI Officer, a new title making waves in our space?
It's actually pretty interesting. You know, at NVIDIA, everything is AI. It's built from the ground up. It's integrated in everybody's daily life. And when I got introduced to the self-storage industry, 10 Federal in particular, their DNA, their blueprint, they've already started using AI in many aspects of their business. And they have a great platform. And they gave me the offer to be able to say, hey, you know, we already have a good base for it. We could really use a catalyst to come in here and help drive us to the industry, you know, make us really the leader. And we'd love if you could come in and do that. So I did some time consulting with them, and I got to learn and understand a little part of the self-storage industry. And they, you know, we kind of came to an agreement, like, we really think we could be pioneers, and they need a little help in the catalysm of AI. And so I decided to make the move.
Well, I'm very excited to see the waves they'll make here. 10 Federal is really a tech and data company disguised as self-storage. You know, where do you see the biggest opportunity for AI-driven insights to make an impact in self-storage? Is it operations or site selection?
See, it's a good point. I don't actually know yet. I'm still getting new to the self-storage world. But one thing I will say is AI has the ability to be better at everything in every single way. AI, I've never found something that I'm better at it. If I can clearly explain the problem statement and explain what I would like the outcome to be, and I work with AI over an iterative process, I can always come to the conclusion with AI in a better outcome. And so my goal is to be able to optimize every part of the self-storage industry, to be able to build a ground operating system that will be 10 Federals. And once we get to the point where we have the ground truth operating system foundation, we can do some really interesting things of building applications and different things on top of that.
Wow. I mean, it sounds like you got your work cut out for you, but your enthusiasm is infectious. But Chris, you know, what kind of data are you going to be feeding the AI? You know, how do you sort of get it to the right data and accurate data from so many different sources in order for it to make accurate decisions and actually take things end to end? Walk me through that process and how you actually lay the groundwork for your job to be actionable.
Okay, so it's actually, break it down into, one of the words I like to use all the time is modular. Everything should be modular. You should be able to break everything up and look at it individually. And so one of the things people struggle with when using AI is they always wanted the top-down approach. They want to just take AI from the top and make it work. Well, really what you need to do is you need to build AI into each piece. You know, you have the marketing, you have the operations, you have the rentals, and all the other industries. And if you can build it all in a very modular selection to where each piece works individually, and then you bring that all together, then AI can talk to everything all the time. And so if you can integrate everything together, that's the best way to do it. So AI shouldn't be looked at as like a top-down only approach. You should look at it as building the foundation from the bottom up.
Gotcha. Chris, very excited to have this conversation again 6 months from now when it's not day 2. Thank you so much for being able to talk shop with me, and really excited to see everything you do.
Thank you very much, man.